G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's product review time again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Mini Dagwood dogs. Memories are made of dibble dabbles. Well, I can tell you that I've done a few dibble dabbles in my pants a couple of times, and tell you, memories aren't made of them. Although they are firmly entrenched in there, and I tell you what, they do bring a couple of laughs later on in life. But I'm going to be doing a review and cook of these things, and well, I'm just going to see if they're worth buying or not. They look really impressive, and I can't wait to see how big these things really are. Anyway, how about we look at the ingredients and see what these are actually made out of? Okay. Well, it says Frankfurt, 48% meat including pork, water, soy, protein, starch, salt emulsifiers, antioxidants. Oh, that's good. We got the garlic, we got the maltodextrin, fermented red rice, sodium nitrate. There's a couple of colours in there, folks, so be wary if you're going to feed these to the kids. Raising agents, egg, wheat gluten, canola oil, yada yada yada. So the ingredients on this are probably what you expect there would be. There's sausage and there's batter. Well, I hope so. But how about we see how nutritional these things are for us? Oh, are we kidding? Well, kilojoules, 383 each. Well, there's 6 in a box. 6 threes are 18, 6 eights are 48, 18 plus 48, that's 2,400 say, which means you could have like, well, maybe 4 of these boxes for your whole daily intake and not have to worry about gaining weight. Oh yeah! Protein is 8.4%, fat is 8.3%, carbs is 23%, with sugar 5.7%. And for sodium, if you eat this whole box, it's pretty much your whole daily salt intake. Oh well, gotta die of something, right? How about we whip these out of the box and see what they look like? Yeah, okay. Alrighty, can't wait to see how big these are. Oh, I tell you what, that's not a bad size. I'm actually pretty jealous of the girth on these things. Have a look at it. And at 3.5 inches long, it's bound to put all men to shame. Well, nearly all of them. Actually, this is about the size of if I was just in an ice bath and, well, yeah, I wish. Anyway, that's what they look like raw. How about we see how to cook these bad boys up? Okay, deep fry. Well, what if you don't have a deep fryer? I know I don't. Oven. Place in a preheated 180 degrees fan-forced oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes from frozen. Yeah, well, I'm not doing that. I'm going to try it out in the air fryer because the air fryer is a convection oven and deep fryer rolled into one. Let's see if I can do it. Let's do it. Yeah. Alrighty. So we'll whip this out. We'll gently place our Dagwood dogs in. Goodness, hope these sticks don't catch on fire. And let's whack it in the machine. The instructions say 180 degrees for 15 to 20, so we'll leave it at 180 degrees and 15. See if that works. Now, those of you that don't know, a Dagwood dog is also known as a Pluto pup. They're also known as corn dogs. They're also known as a sausage on a stick covered in batter. And, well, I don't know what they're called in other countries. Maybe like in Sweden they're called a Turkentack. I don't know, what are these things called where you're from? Let me know down below. Alright, well, I've been lying on the couch for, well, what it looks like to be about 10 minutes. I better pull these out, see whether they're not burning. Oh, these are looking fantastic. Wonder if I should just give them a turn and, you know, make sure they're going alright. They look like they're going alright. They look better than I do, after an ice bath at least. Right, give them a few more minutes. Alright, well that's been about 10 minutes. How about I just take one out because, I mean, I don't want to like burn them all. I'll just take one out and I'll stick the rest back in. And we'll have this one first to see, make sure that it's cooked inside. If it's not, it doesn't matter. I can reheat it again. That's the beauty of the air fryer. Alright, well, that was the full 15-minute one, and well, it sort of started cracking and bursting, just like a real one. So we'll dump these on. They look pretty good, don't they? Mate, I'll tell you what, and they smell pretty nice as well. Anyway, I think it's time that we give one the old taste test. Nom 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 nom. Gee, they look good. Anyway, I've got some tomato sauce here. So how about I squirt some of that in a bowl? Because you just got to, right? And this one here is the one that I cooked for 10 minutes. So how about I try it first without the sauce? It's cooked all the way through. You can see there the meat in the middle. The pastry though is a little bit undercooked, I'd say. So you probably do want to cook it for a bit longer at least. Well, we don't know that, do we? Until we try one that was fully cooked for the full time. Yeah. So the ingredients say that this is made from wheat flour and corn flour. So it is a corn dog per se, but it's also a wheat dog. But the batter was definitely better, cooked a bit longer. But cooked shorter, it was still fine as well. Anyway, let's try some in the old dead horse. Oh yeah. Well, it's not as good as the real thing, obviously. The real ones taste so good, don't they? That fresh batter on the outside. These ones have been made so the batter like doesn't fall apart and you can cook it and bring it home and take it to parties and everything. But, I mean, it's not the best tasting thing in the world, but it's also not the worst. I'm actually quite enjoying this. The corn wheat flour pastry. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's quite bready, as you can probably see there. The sausage on the inside, well, it's all snout, lips and feet, isn't it? Let's face it. But it still tastes all right. And would I buy this sort of thing again? Well, you know what? Why not? It actually tastes probably better than I thought it was going to taste. And, mate, it does the job. If you got a little party happening and you just want to like quickly whip up a few snacks, and why not one of these? And it looks like they're made here in Queensland as well by Keith's Quality Foods at Oxenford or Helensvale. One of those places. So some good Aussie tucker right here. They're from the frozen section in your local supermarket. I think they're like $4 or something. But pretty good to have in the freezer just lying around just in case. Anyway, there you go, the Dagwood Dogs by Keith's Foods. The best 3.5 inches you'll be sticking in your mouth today. Guaranteed. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger